That's Sergeant Nicole Gee. She served with the 24th Marine Expeditionary Unit. She posted this photo of herself in uniform back in Kabul, Afghanistan, on August 19th with the caption, "I love my job." She was helping evacuate the Kabul airport. You might remember that. 1 week after posting that photo, Nicole Gee was one of the 13 service members who were killed when insurgents attacked the airport. She was 24 years old. And I'm walking down section 60, and I see this name, Gee. I didn't know Nicole or her family, but I knew the name, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And my daughter was with me, and she said, "Dad, you built a wheelchair for veterans in her name on Veterans Day last year." And there's a picture of me at AT&T Stadium on Veterans Day of last year with the chair in her name. And I didn't even realize I had that picture. You see her name? You see her picture? And I don't know what that is, but there's a lot of sunshine or something coming down on that chair. Because of Nicole Gee's service and sacrifice, there's a veteran in Texas who has freedom and mobility with her name on a chair. What an amazing young woman.